Why, hello there, and welcome back, oh dear friends, fellows, foes, and all other ethereal creatures. Picture this. So, you're just playing your game, I don't know, being yourself on your PC, and then suddenly this one disgusting thing pops up. And yes, I know, this is a VM. Don't question it. I'm too lazy to downgrade my own PC to Windows 10 because I have like a billion files and apps which I'm too lazy to install again. Either way, it's just stick with me there. You have Windows 10 and you're not getting any security updates anymore. Why? Because Microsoft is fucking retarded and just said, yeah, no, we're going to make Windows 11, which is honestly shit. I hate it. But yes, that is not the point of this video, to rant about Windows 11. I can do that all the time. But yes, how about I tell you, you can get support for Windows 10 for like another 6 years. I don't know what year it is right now. I live in a cave. But yes, it's possible and it's free. We don't want the stupid ESU license, which costs money. So we're going to do something different. Microsoft has the so-called LTSC, Win 10 LTSC. Wait, give me a second. There we go. If we go there, you can see the normal Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 2021 will be mainstream end date on 2027, which isn't too long. It's still 2 years, but that's not enough for us. So we're going to go with something different. And that, my dear friends, is this Microsoft 10 Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021. An absolute tongue breaker. But yes, this will be supported until January 13th of 2032. So we can use Windows 10 for, still a few years. Now, usually people always say, oh no, I'm going to have a clean install, blah, 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 which luckily isn't the case for us. We can simply do an in-place upgrade, but for that to work, if we just like download the LTSC ISO and then just do the update, it would only install Windows 10 LTSC, which is, the support will end in 2027, so we need to change one registry key, which, don't worry, even if you change it and to something that isn't correct, you will break nothing, because Windows will just change it again once you reboot. So let's open registry editor. Also, don't ask me why my Windows in this VM is German. I absolutely have no idea. I just took one random VM, which I still had laying around. Also, just for demonstration purposes, we have quite a few important files which we cannot lose, which is why we're going to do the in-place upgrade. Now, the registry we need to change is located in local machine, software, Microsoft. Windows, right. Current version. No, not that. Where's Microsoft? There we go. I'm stupid, I'm sorry. Then in Microsoft, there's the Windows NT. Let me just make this a little bit. There we go. Windows NT. And then in here, we have current version. Now, there's quite a few things, some of which we could break probably, which is why we're only going to change one registry key, and that is this one. No, this one, the edition ID. So we're going to change it from professional to... That is a good question. What do we change it? I noted it somewhere because it's something not... there we go. Yes, so you're going to change this to IoT Enterprise S. IoT Enterprise S. Yes, and I didn't do a typo this time. Just hit OK. Now this is good. Then you want to download the Windows 10 LTSC ISO. You can download it from I will leave a link in the description. You have all the different languages. Just make sure that it's the x64 or x86, depending on what type of PC you have. And make sure it's the correct language. So for me, I will need to use the German ISO because my VM is German. And since I don't want to download it now, I already put it into a shared folder, which is here, Windows 10, LTSC, German. Okay, let me just copy it because... Oh yeah, right. That's something I have also come to notice. Do not run this. Do not try the in-place upgrade from a network share or something, because it will not work. It will simply load forever. So I'm just going to copy it to downloads. Come on. Then open it. And after you've changed the registry key here, you can just run the normal setup from the ISO, like the Win 10 LTSC ISO. Oh, I still have the installation medium. Goodbye. Whatever. Not my problem. Now here you can say that it should install updates and stuff right now, but it's going to take forever, so just say no. Or not now, I believe it's in English. Then it's going to do something, blah, 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 blah. Then it needs to test whether or not we can install, which don't even ask me why, just Microsoft things, I guess. So yeah, just let this load. I will probably put a time lapse on there because this can take quite a while. Finally it is done and I am back. So yeah, once this comes, just check that it says Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC is there, and keep personal files and apps, just whatever, so that you do the in-place upgrade and not just reinstall Windows and lose all of your stuff. Soon as, if that's correct, just hit install, and then it will do this for like another 75 billion hours. But you can, for some reason, if you like forgot to save something, you can just tap out and use your PC still, if that's, yeah, whatever. I wouldn't recommend it, just leave it to its thing. So yeah, here's another time lapse. All right, so now the VM has restarted, so my RDP connection died. So let's just quickly go back so we can still see what it's doing. Technically, it should just boot right back to where we left it off, and we should be able to sign in. Of course, more updates. But this shouldn't take too long, should it? I hope. Please. But yeah, that's basically how you get Windows 10 for another like 7 years without paying. I'm also going to show you how you can... no, not how you can. How you should never ever license Windows 10 IoT, because your average Windows 10 Home, Pro, whatever license key won't work with IoT, because, well, it's for companies and stuff. But yeah, I'll show you what you certainly shouldn't do to license it, because that's software piracy. So never follow the steps after the updates. And another time lapse. All right, so here we are. Oh god, do I know my password? Ah, yes, I do apparently. And if you see this, like hello, or well, your login screen first, and then hello, we have some updates, blah, 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 you know, the usual Microsoft crap, then that basically means you've already done it. Now, the only thing that might happen is that it removes your Microsoft Store. Sometimes it does that, but sometimes it doesn't, so no idea what that's all about. But even if it removes it, we can check whether or not my Microsoft Store is there. But if it isn't, we can install it, and if it is there, I will still show you the command to install it. It's just one word basically and one option you'll have to paste into your command prompt. So it really isn't too much of a hassle. And yes, the activation, you definitely should never ever use it because it's software piracy, but I will show you just so you know what you should never do, you know. You'll understand. You just never do this. And there we go. We're back into Windows. For some reason it did change my desktop layout, but I don't really care about that, to be honest. Maybe it's because this is a VM and the screen is kind of strange. So let's see, do we still have the Microsoft Store? Yes, we do still have the Microsoft Store. Now, if you didn't have the Microsoft Store, then you just have to open the command prompt as administrator and then paste in or type in wsreset-I. I can do it too. It'll just reinstall Microsoft Store, and once Microsoft Store is installed, you can just, install things from the Microsoft Store again. Yeah, of course, I'll have to do the update, but whatever. Now, do we even have Windows 10 IoT? Let's check real quick. And yes, there we go. Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC. Now, yeah, okay, cool. There it is. Very cool. Now, you will notice that Windows is not activated anymore. And now you should never do this. So I will show you what you should never do. So you should never open PowerShell as an admin and then paste in this command, which I will leave in this description so you know what to never type in there. Hit enter. And then you should never press 1. And no matter what you do, do not leave the script running because it will illegally activate your Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC. Wink, wink. But yes, while this is showing you what you should never do, let's see, like, you will notice this is just your everyday Windows 10. Like, there's nothing really different from normal Windows 10. So, oh yeah, and now once you see this, you should never press enter and then close this. Yeah, you will see you can do updates again. It's free. It's supported until 2032. And you get all of these fancy little updates, and games do run on here. Yeah. Enjoy it, I guess. That's how you keep Windows 10 for another few years. And cool, my settings just crashed. You can do all of this usual stuff. You can have pictures as your wallpaper. That's important. You can do that. It's just Windows 10 really. But yeah, hope this video helped you, and have a great Saturday. It's today? Whatever. I'll see you whenever I do one of these stupid videos again. Bye!